Today we're going on a little hike. We are at the Silver Run Falls Trail, just outside of Highlands, North Carolina. And I've never been here, so we're gonna go see what it's about. Let's get it. Start of this trail is kind of steep. Not sure how this one's gonna go. I might have trouble coming back out of here. If y'all don't hear from me in a week or two, send help. You can probably hear vehicles coming by. This trail is right on the side of the road, Highway 107, Highlands Highway. Just across the North Carolina, South Carolina border into North Carolina. But, we're kind of headed away from the highway now. We got a little side trail there. I don't know where that goes. I'm guessing down to the water that I hear running. It's supposed to be a pretty nice waterfall here. We'll go check it out. It's been a pretty short hike here for sure. You can already see the waterfall through the trees here. I don't know if it's picking it up on the camera, but looks pretty nice. I think this is going to be a pretty nice little waterfall here. I'll go check it out. A nice little creek crossing here. Just a little small creek. Very pretty. Like a little trail there going up to the top of the falls. Another unsanctioned trail. We have a very nice little set of rock steps here. Oh wow. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Nice little swimming hole here too. So there you have it, Silver Run Falls. I hope you can hear me all right. This waterfall is pretty loud, so I'm trying to speak up without yelling at the camera. But yeah, this is a pretty neat place. I can't believe I've never been here. Really short hike. It is going to be a little bit steep coming back out. Coming in was no issue at all, but most people will have no trouble. The old man might have a little bit of problem. I'll probably have to stop on the way out, but that's part of it, right? Yeah, really nice place here. Just beautiful waterfall. I had no idea it was here. Pretty cool. Alright, we're going to start making our way back out of here. Since this was such a short hike, like I said, I didn't know what to expect here. I had read it was short, but I didn't realize it was this short. But yeah, we're gonna make our way back out. Got a good bit of uphill going to the truck, so I probably won't video much. We might see about stopping somewhere else on the way. There's a couple of cool things I know about that are up here. If we get a chance, we might stop in by there and show those to you.
Everyone's running like they stole a dream. Images of magazines. Take your chance while you're still young. Glory flickers like a candle in the desert sun. Wasted time on an overpass, watching how nothing lasts. The streets are filled with a hollow glow. The bellies ache where shallow hungers grow. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Everyone grows older, we all just wanna start again. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Standing on the shoulder, looking for a promised land. Where do you hide on a quiet night when your fears are nestled by your side? The TV screen burns too bright. You sit and talk, ghosts behind your eyes. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Everyone grows colder, we all just wanna start again. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Standing on the shoulder, looking for a promised land.
And there you have Silver Run Falls. It's a really nice little waterfall, very pretty. Like I said earlier, I can't believe I didn't know it was there. I've been by there many times in the past, and just never knew about it. There's just a small little pull-off area there, and that one sign that I showed you, and that's all there is to let you know that it's there. So that's a good thing in that it's not very busy. I imagine in the summertime it's probably pretty busy. You got that nice little swimming area there, but there's not a lot of parking, so you have to work around that. Something I wanted to show you after the recent so-called fishing video, my good buddy Brandon thought it was prudent to send this to me. So, yeah, fishing for dummies. So I don't know if I'm supposed to fish for dummies or if I'm the dummy. I must be the dummy if I'm asking that question, right? All right. That was pretty funny though. Thank you, Brandon. That was a lot of fun. Had a good laugh out of that. But yeah, as you can see, we're back at the good old hacienda, and we're gonna wrap this one up here. And we got a few projects coming up. The weather's starting to get a little bit better out there, so we're gonna get back out and do some work on the trail. I've got some pretty cool stuff coming up with the truck, and of course we're gonna continue to do these hikes as long as my health is gonna allow it. I'm gonna keep doing the hikes. I really enjoy those, and there's so much. There's so many places here close by to go and do things like that. I really don't want to waste that effort, I'm so fortunate to live in an area that has all this stuff, and I need to get out there and use it. All right, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a little like, smash that button, leave a comment, and if you're not subscribed, consider doing that, and we'll see you in the next one. Old man out.